Here are 4 healthy omelette recipes with calorie counts for the perfect light breakfast. First, we're going to saute the veggies by adding to our eggs. In a teaspoon of oil, add a clove of garlic, which is both loaded with medicinal properties and has no more than 4 calories. Then in go some mushrooms, which are rich in antioxidants, and saute them till they droop a bit. Then add some tomatoes and a dash of salt and pepper to season. Cooked veggies add a ton of flavor to the eggs, which we're whipping well for maximum fluffiness. Use a brush to spread a thin layer of oil and check that the pan is hot before you add the eggs. Medium-low heat is key to getting soft and evenly cooked omelettes. Season it with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Cover it to allow the top to steam. Once the top is set, we'll spoon in our veggies, adding a few leaves of flavorful basil to the mix. Then, making sure the edges are lifting easily, carefully fold the omelette over. This style is reassuringly called the fold-over. Serve it up with some whole wheat toast or eat it plain. This omelette only clocks in at about 228 calories. Yolks are not unhealthy, but if you're on a strict calorie diet, this egg white omelette is a good choice. We're starting with a teaspoon of oil in which we'll brown some chicken ham. This is optional, but it adds a ton of flavor. Then in with some green beans, broccoli, and yellow bell peppers. We're also adding some chili flakes to this for a bit of a kick, and then finish with some salt and pepper. These veggies are all high fiber options that work really well together. Now let's separate our yolks. We like using this shell-to-shell technique, letting the egg white drip into a bowl below. We strongly advise you wash your eggs before trying this technique because salmonella is real and you don't want to get it. We'll add this in and cook this on low to retain that lovely white color and achieve a soft, silky omelette. And always remember to season with the salt during the cooking. When the top looks settled, we'll add in our veggie mixture. Sprinkle in some pepper if you like, and then carefully inserting the spatula, fold it over. Don't worry if some of the veggies fall out. This will look gorgeous on a plate, no matter how you serve it up. If you skip the ham, this omelette is only about 200 calories. Next up is an egg white omelette cooked in a slightly different style. We'll start with some oil in a pan and saute some garlic. Now some red bell peppers and a dash of Mexican seasoning that we had lying around in our pantry. We'll also add some chili flakes for a kick. Then we'll add in our spinach and a bit of salt and cook it till the leaves wilt. Sauteing veggies separately wakes up their flavors and takes your eggs to MasterChef levels. Now take this mixture out and let it cool down. Separate your yolks and make sure you whip your egg whites right before you add them into your pan because they can separate into a foamy and non-foamy layer. We're going to add our veggies straight to the eggs and mix them in. Then in a lightly greased pan, add this mixture. Let this cook on medium heat and you can even cover the pan to speed up the cooking process. Flip when the top is set and give it no more than 30 seconds on the other side to ensure a tender, smooth omelette. This light omelette is only about 217 calories and loaded with iron. Upgrade your standard onions and tomato omelette with some heart-healthy zucchini. Start with some oil and saute a little bit of garlic. You can also add green chilies here. Then add in some onions and saute them till they're translucent. Then we'll add the zucchini and let it soften. This is loaded with vitamin C and other minerals and is very low in calories. Then in go the tomatoes. Don't forget to season again with salt and pepper. And don't cook them for too long or they'll turn to mush. Let them cool slightly while you whisk your eggs. Add the veggie mixture in along with some chopped dill for a load of freshness. Now grease your pan lightly and add the mixture in. Season with some salt and pepper. Cook this covered and let the top steam. Flip when the top sets and enjoy it hot. Eggs are an extremely healthy source of protein and will not mess with your cholesterol. So go ahead and get on the sunny side of life. Have an excellent day, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.